Hi friends, we received this glass dining table set. We are going to put it together so you can see how beautiful it looks in our house.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's already assembled, the dining table and the chairs, and I think the combination looks really nice. The tempered glass table looks basic and all with the supports feels of a really nice quality, and the chairs goes with an amazing combination with the table because they are white and they have a minimal style, which I think they are really nice. And overall, I like it a lot. It was actually really easy to assemble. It didn't take that much long. And well, in the package comes everything you need to assemble as the table and the chairs, which I think it's a really nice option.